Mamunina Kwaba. Happy Saturday at anywhere you are. And then atranse so na atranse. And then you will asem ahodo me ensape and ye de nante a ye de abase ne ene mu nyina eba ni aba beche afa. Ensam no so kura. First of all, yate nsemburu mu koso abonten omusi the base. Ani nyina nse yesi yatikuo bi a ye de airtie Kennedy Japan na chi. Na we no Kennedy Japan supporters ene kana wa abonten. Kennedy ankasa de ede anchechire mu aba se onye the base ni oyam MPP ni say the focus ene MPP. Ye be kan sa asem we ho. Ye be di sa asem we ho nkomo. De to so mienu. Ye be kasa afa maami bi omosi ye frɛ no Dr. Mary Ewusi ono nso ababonten kansemfu bi de fa ye maame Samira Bawumia ho maame no ne ye be kyerɛ na ase platform we so ye free ho nso a na ye kɔ into the insensitive government of the NDC enra otumetena ase ema emerewa because I mean an old woman. Merewafo ekwatena ase Ghana Cocoa Board anim anadwo nyina na mahama ntumi ampekwan bi so ama hospitality yebeka eno so ho asem enti aba trase na me no yenkeka nsem gum na yenko ya ni me ha Ras Media GH on YouTube yesanso live Facebook me sanso Facebook as Ras Media GH meso se bomodre na remachi akwai. Now follow me on my various platforms, YouTube and Facebook, and also on TikTok, Ras Media GH. Founsa, I like video no mame. Na ma video no pushing no home. And then a Saturday, yatrasi so the ane yatrasi. Abusia, the first thing I make a suffer who and ne. The issue concerning Kennedy Japan and his supporters. Na nembom entrance na matrance no. Enye ntokwa enye atemudie nambom no we are coming to bring out the political eye na ya advice enkrofo na omudi Kennedy achi ene Kennedy Japan adi nkuku a still omoda so eye omo ho mate me hofo no me ne omo enene ye won komo edie die dikan MPP amanyoku enye abusua ekuo de dikai MPP amanyoku nye kuo bi eye osum bi kuo anase eye abusua kuo bi ajapade MPP amanyoku no ye Ghana fo nyina kuo enti Ghana ni bia odwene se amanyoku efe na MPP na ye party esombo party betumi eden koso ani ye yo abaga na mamu bia no saa nipa no otumi join party no ema na ye na se utumi join party no ema na ye abere mfa ho eni ba bia ofiri esoma awosom kasa awoka eni sabio yenka ne se wabusuakuo o tribe emfa ho dia saa so na kire se obi biara oye MPP ni a watwere ni din na wadi ni huni na waye party ne ba anyahwe emfie enum na onkasa mfangu party ne ho fi na owo gina bere bi edi animonyam na eba MPP party ne mu bia no a wadi emfie anyahwe ye 40 years no saa nipa no o qualify to lead the party called MPP. In 2024, Yewura Bawumia na lead party and yekoje sabio ewie anansem fata yen enam yenyina yenim enema ekoso ewo party mu yenim kwan amanfo fa so ebo krono yenim kwan amanfo fa so eye enema bia edi nseye anadi dimpone ebra ye party e friend ya MPP enam so ema ye lusu ye yenim kwan ya NDC for share that ton MPP say abronsam ko ɛde kyerɛ Ghanafoɔ ɛma Ghanafoɔ ɛdwene sɛ party no amba ne ho mmɔdere yɛnim kwan a NDC faa so ɛmɛki sure sɛ cocoa farmers mpo a abra na Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ba aban mu na ɔmo akatua ɔmo cocoa bag na yɛtɔ no 450 Ghana cedis mpo a yɛwura Nana Addo tumi pagya mu ade kɔɔ yɛ akoduru 3001 NDC fo timi bɔ ɔmɔdene kansɛm twantoro ɛde gu akuafoɔ no timi sɛ Nana Addo esisiri wɔ ɛnyɛ no nko a ahokyerɛ baayɛ a Nana Addo se enkrofo omutwa loto okronum omoye bet edi sika se wudi sika funu bi saa ahokyera bantifa bi bu a wo man ne enko yanim eno NDC fo de beye propaganda se Nana Addo ye kohwini onim hweye adenti a Ghana wo koko wo timba na se de bet nso na akopɛ sika da be kyekyere Ghana man me maame Miss B me wakɔ abaye pa maame wo ho te sɛn ye de no to nkyɛn a Ewura Nana Addo duru baabi na ahokyera ba papa yi kata nani kan sɛ ɛyɛ ne ya mom ɛyɛ ne ya sɛ sabio ɔde ne nsa kɛse amanfo sika na deɛ di kan mpo no ɛpere bi baayɛ na amanfo ho kyerɛ mo nipa ntumi mpie nkɔ abɔnten kɔtɔ aduane untumi nkɔ adwuma untumi nyɛ hwɛ Nana Addo ma amanfo trans fie bɔsomi bebree etua adwumayɛfo nyinaa ka edi nsuo free yen odi nsuo ma ye light ma ye free tesa abe ne ho kyere yen NDC fo timi pa kwanya bi so presente sa initiative na Nana Addo de bae no omo timi fa kwan bi so ma ne be te se de asisire bi na Nana Addo sisi de Ghanafoɔ abra na odi nsuo light any salary ma amanfoɔ for free abra na omo nya adwuma enkrofo omo kodi covid anim nurses and doctors. Mona no me front liners na omo bua Nana Addo ma sabio COVID management na ekoso no. Nana Addo to na katwam. Ebaya ma Nana Addo ne ministers, ne cabinet ministers, and ne MPs. Otwa omo nyina omo salary so 30%. We nyina achi no NDC for etimi bo modern. Epe kwan bi so etimi de say Ghana fo nyina adwen say Nana Addo de oye nipa bone. And there was a pressure in the country already. Na sabio bibia kire say NPP will find it very, very difficult to win. In fact, the kum Ghana any MPP aban kura mpo any say ekoduru say Nana Addo pese yemfa ye kanche ye na abrofo ka kire say ye dodo say na beche obete wo say ukurom so mpesika na womfa enye den emfa support ekana ye de che na so Nana Addo ka say sa na ti a amanfo amaye deposit ne hwan no me de mo premium no koda nim eno NDC for trans eye say eye adebone kura eho hia Nana Addo ewudini Nana Addo timedene Nana Addo nka they said all manner of things enti ekwato aba na ye we na we na ye we ye no 41% na ye nya ye no wohwe any situation and na wa abonten ensama na amanfo kafa na Nana Addo na aban ho utie ensama na ye kafa Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia ho na hwe se papa itumi nya 41% a na che se papa no Ghana fo do na yie na che se papa no Ghana fo hu ade papa bi woni mu na che se papa no enipa dodo no nim se sabio oyobi a amamuo mu omanchichire mu owonim de so nko enti a papa no nya 41 point something percent of the total voters. Yakoto abawie yenya mie nominee na ye papa ke na Japan di jabatum say oko contested. That is correct. Na yenim say o kese o contesting so dia eya kansie na ye ko. Message we am dey by I want the Canadian Japan supporters to listen to me very well. Ene ye nka abo akwasea ye ni obi atem. You have to ye mia ye kuro mu ye nwianom ye ne mo a na party ya ye mo adwuma beduru ne ene ye mia ye nyina ye kuro enya atemudie ye fanyansa sema e wode ye kan mu na de ahiri ye nwianom a na omudi Canada Japan wachi a still breeding no body wo say can pipi hono. We need them back and we are going to bring them back. We just have to let them reason. I was saying to me bibi ombetimi ase adwene about the collective good. Yenyina yen kosum yenyina yen kosum. Abusia se wo ka se wo contest elections I just say wo competition wo agrokansie so no se wo obviously said ye tie bia at the end of the day enipa baako ene be wene enti akwakoto aba na nse me kwakoto aba no ye campaign na ye honestly speaking afam ye ne bia obi a ekasa ditia ne yonko afam ye ne bia no obi akasa tia ne yonko because na ye nyina ye hwe ani ye hu se Dr. Bawumia ene Kennedy AGYAPONG out of the 5 people are no more pe flag bearership position no na omo amienu wei ena ye nkrofo a na ohwe de ekoso ewa abontena na ekire se omo mu baako ene betumi afa abandwa no enti my attention no concentrate most of them but Acheponkra na amamfo taken in consideration even though at the end of the day he performed very 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 well. So in fact me can be chere Kennedy AGYAPONG and nkrofo another platform so na omo ye adwuma de ma Kennedy AGYAPONG so omo can be the chere Yewura Dr. Bawumia ye tutu ne din edin ahodo I Kennedy AGYAPONG ye to ne din Ascend Dumping Brigade I esanto ne din Mr. Mabie Nyuma Mr. 7,000 workers ye kan ni nyina Dr. Bawumia so de ne eye directory atemudie na na omudidi no but the Dr. Bawumia camp there most of us are na kasa no it was not about aboa kwase o na ye more about Dr. Bawumia ni sune ne ban ne de otumi ye nie Kennedy AGYAPONG so de o ye nie but Kennedy AGYAPONG camp for no there that time no na ye atemudie na ye animguase na ye ntwanto so enkontompo ni ntwanto so na no mo de tata Dr. Bawumia ne yere ene enipa bia na okasa edema Dr. Bawumia me maame estake bari maame mo akwaba Alex Israel mo akwaba na wisum asamani wo so mo akwaba ye twa boye ho awie me nwe Tony Yeboa me mo akwaba ye twa boye ho awie ya boro ye ho ye didi ye ho atem ya ka de ye beka bia Dr. Bawumia mie na no one time personal ni Kennedy AGYAPONG atem da Brebia Kennedy AGYAPONG ebe go beyond, can I say, the normal level no. Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia will come out with a smile in his face. Or say na odi Kennedy AGYAPONG ano abra onko into personal attack. Yeah, ma Kennedy AGYAPONG to me sorry jina camera mu. Ebie na no can say Dr. Bawumia ye ntrofo. But doctor did not come out to say anything which anke betumi aye personal to Kennedy AGYAPONG. He just came out and tell people say what is anoma bi ka say this week last week you know ye be ka ne ho nsem pa enti the communicators the supporters mutin nsem bi no ma onka makoma ntomuyam. This is what Dr. Bawumia said after a man, a candidate or you potentially to win the primaries no it take 5 minutes of a video, solid video, to call the former vice president, the potential flag bearer of the party, a liar in front of the country. Dr. Bawumia Bayano, he came with a smile in his face to answer Kennedy AGYAPONG. And Tiabusia, Abroye can be Kennedy AGYAPONG. And correct, but net two so can be Yewura, Dr. Bawumia. Some another social media platforms here, I don't want to mention their name. No, Yewura Dr. Bawumia tempa. Kwasi kwatenom, stekanom, ene na asefo. to the point say we went into a tribal politics, any religious bigotry. Did Dr. Bawumia tem and free not and why many of this or you can money why. And the MPP delegates across the country called Ghana. Actually say, Omono, the Omo Peno, any Dr. Lahaj Muhammad Bawumia. Omoko to abano. 16 regions no, out of 14 regions. Omo to abadema Dr. Bawumia say, ono no Omo Peno. Enti ya wie MPP akonwa no. Enye family you can say lineage, inheritage of the MPP flag bearership no, and as a MPP presidential candidate no, enye family inheritage eya busuya konwa edru so dabi enti akoto aba no. The MPP delegates omona omoye the key points, the key people in the party, or mama party, the mechanism, the year Jumano. Omo catch the Ghana for you say, MPP a party bia, a democratic party. And second, MPP a party bia, they are neither tribal bigotry or religious bigotry. Number no, MPP a party bia, we deal with meritocracy and democracy together. Na say yenim no abusia saade we joy kese o ofili asane me mwako aba saade we MPP delegates ye no nije sem kese pa o MPP ya mo wani nje o MPP ni a be proud of yourself because finally MPP delegates actually say they know their history that we are Dombo what is the name? What is the name? Dankwa Buzia Dombo tradition. Omo actually said, this is our history, and this is how we are going to deal with it. Esi nipa, uni uhu babia ufri ba, uhu abrapo, panya wa some fashion shishan. Inti ya nije sem. Na baiso ye kwa kotui. Obibi oko conteste ye biano. Eni muse, hada sobe lusu, anasobe wene. Abato na ekoto ye no enipa mienu ntumi nwene mane nye yie abato na ekoto ye no at the end of the day no there was going to be only one person yebebo na chidom se wanwene enti wa okọ contest ye bia no na unim say there is only two options na said the mu nyina amokọ contest no so nyina na munim say enye mabusua akonwa na mbom no eye sabio manfra o mind nyina konwa enti obi bia o qualify betumi edi no menim se mo contest no na mu nyina mu nim se you can lose and you can win. Me ameti hoyi na menim se ba wo me abawen ne the entire na mejitum se ba wo me abawen ne se a political dynamics ye ka obi o track record obi a obetumi do nsa si ade bi so e de amane so obi obetumi a position into that level among the people are no more contesting at that particular time now ye obviously say none of them can beat Dr. Bawumia. And yes, omunye nipa o, omuye nipa, but political experience, political what them call it, political know-how. Kwanya Dr. Bawumia faswa years ago. Osha build the base of the party around him. Kwanya faswa ultimate to talk forms edema all the MPP for an open position nationwide. And not will say he thought of coming to lead the party very long time ago. So he planned to be where he is. So me, I know that he was going to win. But apart from that, Oko akansia ada so belusu ana so bewene. Enti ato abana wie. Na sesebio Kennedy AGYAPONG walusua. It is fair because abatu ye kotu ye. Yantisa amanfo jiji obi vote free ninsem. a police for amchi obi anko ankotum yante se obi afa ballot box de ko yante se obi vote ye na yankan yante se electoral commissioner bi ayade bi enye mra kwan so the yeti ye nyina ne say the election results was free and fair. Richard Makwaba. And this is abana we with an election na ye free and fair. Adentia and kwadan kiti bi and krabi a munima de ye friend politics monty bida microphone ane boayefo cameras ane boayefo sabio journalism ena Ghana maimu eni value ena monya akwanya ena mote sabio TV so mote camera nim microphone si manim ena mo kasa na mo kasa nso a asema kene Japan kan ye asema kene Japan nanso ho dai ene na mode nama mode ye dede in the name of the person munya isa de na mo ye na emo amo munya de mo ye no sa the base na mo ye hu dede across the country no se wo ye MPP ni ba ampa na udi sabio osunu kokroko na chi a I don't understand the reason why ya sa the base asem na beba utim kurapo na odi begina ba bia kan asem say we are forming the base. What is the purpose of the base? What is the purpose of the base? Ye kwa kwoti the base. The base near there e Kenya Japan party. Papa yeso kan asem bi jem so ot party. Kennedy Japan on nam hono. Onim said the future of his political career it depended kwanya obe conduct na ho ene. Abusha like video na share ma me enko yanim. Won subscribe so anu subscribe. Now don't sa asi adoma so say da be member live for. Oso benya notification wa join me. But what tell me ye pa. Papa na ye fene Kenya Japan no. Onimpefe says a person in future career in the political arena. Ebe to me strong, stable. Na what to me akwanya ba bedin kunimbi dachia. All depend on how he's going to conduct himself today with the MPP. No, no. Onim abakosem. Kennedy Japan knows the history of the party. Kennedy Japan ever experience of nkrofo omoti omohokoti party at the end of the day no omoanim egu ase. Kennedy na amhono nim kwan ayefa so a even in the MPP history years ago, decades of years ago, yanti ho ase nam so ema ye hwere sabio presidents enchebia Mami a friend Agyapaong Rollins. The founder of the NDC. Onini kunu. Ye kampona in the reality. Agyapaong was the commander. She was the one commanding Rollins. According to sources, roughly, they were all through the commands of Nana Agyapaong Rollins. Nankopon fa ne kransie ye. Judges na yekunkum bomono. Ka na ye de kokum bomono ne key na edamaame no na yiso. The central table so. And to tell you how Agyapaong Rollins was powerful in the NDC. But then they see maame se on tiase okwa kote ne party. Maame ne kote ne party okoye fonka babies, fonka ladies, atemudie people. Nkrofo no mo ano te se mo sa nkrofo we amoye dede in the name of Kennedy Japan abra Kennedy enim ho hwe. Sa nkrofo na yefre mo fonka ladies no, any fonka babies no, any fonka atemdidiefo no. Omoksu any omoban et se ne nkrofo we ya omonam omoye Kennedy Japan the base. Example, ɛne saa kwasi ampanyin na sɛ no Ewusu bɛmpa na nim sɛ kwakuo nye kwakuo mpo pro de kom de no na nim sɛ pro akom de no ɔmo de ne saa fonka ladies ɛyɛ ne yɛte NDC fo mpanyinfo nyinaa na ne yɛbɛnam kan ho sɛ saa maame agyemankorɔ de Rollins no Abra Rollins edi akonya from 1992 MPin 2000 no that woman she was the person in charge and they appointed amount for more mobile ministers. To tell you, Agyemankorɔ Rollins raised a lot of NDC men. No, we are very powerful in the NDC. But my many decided to say, oh, free NDC no muno. Obiani wodi na chi. They all left him to go alone. And on the quarter in the funka ladies, Yekofa Ewusu bɛmpa nkwasiafo we no ma omokasa I say omokasa for moto. And omobeye deda. And maame Agyemankorɔ Rollins nka o deserve to be recognized, to be honored, to be commemorized, yet day in, day out by the NDC. No? And now, at the end of the day, NDC were not even recognizing her importance in the party called NDC. It Canada Japan on him say history way. On him niye pa. On him niye. This is a reality test that I'm telling you. I wish I like a video na share mama ni yanko yanim. Papa na yefa ni Canada Japan no. Ono ankasa onim distance say otwe ne ho free party we mu a. Ene na okọ akwakoda. Because apart from the political career aspect no, contract ahodo akene Japan nya free MPP amanyo kom abre e wo power no. Mon kran na mo na abontra mo ye dede no. Munima no. And a munim na amount of money that the man is making from the MPP when we are in power. Temiyepa. Yefri yewura anasi yefri maame kuna du Agyemankorɔ nseswa. Na anu ya enche bia. Na anu ya enche bia. Alan Chremantin started coming up to be one of the potential MPP flag bearers since 1996. Oni yewura je kufuo nom ene yewura anado danko kufuo adonom ene pere ya ye koto abakora to the point ya na Alan Chremantin ene nanado omoye at the same level but Alan Chremantin e ma kwanse nanado nko na obi a ono aba ena fofia nto atana wamma biem na de me pese men kamonte ase ne se Alan Chremantin kura na one nanado omo percentage 1 pp konum no na ye almost the same 50% no but I decided say oh free party no he went alone what the already yankopo what the mo san kura we ya mo ba mo social media sika mo bedinti enkwasi akeka nko ana mo ka no politics no munyai na emo amo Moses Oduro me mo akwaba ena Linda amwako wonso mo akwaba pa Alan Chremantin pona the last internal prime minister or contest here on in another no mutwiso at 50% no die ba ni mu se onya MPP ni biem no se okodo MPP fo eyi no maaye nanka campus obi a yeto aba ni wie na ukita 23% miye kwasi bo ateme mo akwaba tie mi ye pa na campus wo a yeto aba ni wie na ukita only 23% wona obeko ken onya aboa onko enti eyemo musa nkrofo ya mo nam social media so ni radio so amoye dede no mo na mo pa asem de ama papa no mo be papa no na djuma abono Ube papa no nano aduane abono daache. Uma papa no ni advantages bi a owo ewo MPP amanyokom num no. Uma mani nyina abono daache. De moye no nsem fata mo. E ma me akwa nya akwa mo akwa aba. E na coffee large. Onso mo akwa aba ye pa. Munya de moye no ensem fata. Ensem fata. And now me no ka say. Kennedy Japan na mhoyi. Onyaya anka oni ba omia enenam. Tiemiye pa. Me I'm talking from the inner point. Kennedy Japan ne onyaya enka oni Dr. Baomia eden toma abo ano amonam. But se unim se wahwedi sika enti bibi ha no. Bibi ha no. Nanso enam nsem binum a nkrofo binum ka. Ade binum a amanfo binum ka. Kwanya omofa so mo introduce papa and said there he is not he doesn't agree with the decision into no. Ama no kra na ye ne fede so ba bonten because who say amanfo edi na chi a wanhwe yi a oteki action bi sesi a he will give them broken heart. Because Kennedy Japan to on him pa onimu say so ye na adwene say oba beye anyame dia and say ya he will see the worst part of his life. Me enye threaten so bibeku no wan wi ankrofo gi omudi se omodo no enkrofo adwene so ne omo nenam no omo beyi ne baako e de ama no. Now see something. The assembly stika ankam fanchi yura Dr. Baomia. The assembly and a Peter reference and Peter Debe. Peter why? What is the name of that guy from Water region there? What is the name? Peter Awuni, what is the name? Campaign ban one young fanti yura Baomia. Asari Obeng, Mami os Asari Obeng. Mami Asari Obeng, the financial girl. They are not called hearing committee na otwabon this for bebrebe no. Yeah, Peter Wumi, Amiwu, Peter Mewu, and that's a power show. There no one can fire you, Dr. Baomia. Yeah, and say the minority leader in parliament. After your markets. Or your campaign the Kennedy Japan in the hui. But Bob on Tiambeke said, oh yeah, you know, because Kennedy gave him $4 million. You know. But now no Dr. Baomia you know. They went to Dr. Baomia Fia no Moshenta de Fufu. Temiye. Lawyer Komi Kra. Lawyer Komi. Akwano say, nyamu na ne nyamu china. Yeah. 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 Top pastor. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, ko Dr. Baomia Fia no. Now nkrofo we nyina aka ho bia de one day ano mo hyenta de fufuo de ntia no mo hyenta de fufuo no mo hyenta de fufuo to say party no adi nkunim party na ye den adi nkunim ya wie papa we na ye obi a ye de ne ekusi akan no 2028 enti papa agyamia Oba hima aya ho fe wo hwe me my brother younger brother wo hwe me se wo na wo ye commander of an army na wo nkrofo ni omukọ akon no omu nyina nkrofo no ni omukọ akon no na omu ye o sergeant ne hwan no ye bo mu wie ye no omu ahye ntade akokongratulate enipa na obo no we are smart person and they be mouth so you be a smarter ade be mouth ebe ba wutim kire se Yenyina. Adia baako ejina so a yenyina. You find yourself together in a particular party of an MPP and say we have a common political ideology. And say when a bedi anymore, when a bedi anymore, when a bedi anymore, the ideology of the right side remains always the same. And say who guy built in China among $2,000 be. Ya more $1,000 be. Aye. Sabi omo more Ghana omo kasa ebinum kura 100 Ghana itimi de to omo no omo kasa. Ebinum yuti omo kasa 600 Ghana cedis a month. Omo je e de kasa. Na ya mo sika bi ketua bi saa. Na uko gyina ho na wo de Canada Japan din mu say papa no ni future uye nipa bone because wo ma papa na hwere ade bi daache because the ECG contracts in Canada Japan nya apera MPP wo power no wo sa broga na wote ho wo sa radio presenter na wote ho no woni wabusuamfo nyina mo baye adwuma mo abra bom 70 years na mede mamo mu nyina sa sika no mu nhu bi da wo mani so da entu die gyina ho na ye dede na keep on doing dede kasa wo de tietiem na de wo so hu ne se no kure se wo do Canada Japan a asem bi a wo ka ne ne a wo de wo ka no enye for promotion of Dr. Bawumia na enye for the promotion of MPP na mom no eye a kind of a statement eye dividum why dividing the people biano you have to bow down your head in shame who you crasini or politics. That is what I want to say. Obibi osi no di Canada Japan wati so mna media MPP anim na ya to abana wie na the majority rule anwen se Dr. Bawumia and the medi party nanim na wo ten chance won ti ase de ntia na Japan anwen ne and internet you are against some people biano who ye kurasini ewa amanyo sembo. We don't know what is about politics. This is what I want people to understand me very well. Me nana my sister bako nana kuya afro me mwakwa bapa. Some people majority decision naturally say Dr. Bawumia na yemfa nko 2028. Now also MPP ni but still I know on tia said the entire doctor when entisane dia you are not going to vote for MPP. Senator dia Canada Japan is not part of the MPP bian. Wo beka sa asem no bian. Politically you are a child. Why do you muswa? Why do you no? Because there was a misa of one say. Second, Edwin said, without the flag of the MPP, obetimi aba beye omampanyini anaso obetimi aba beye panyin kese bi wa manyo semu o Ghana enka wan spend all that amount of money just to let the MPP give him their logo on him. Unimka Kennedy abo. Unimka Kennedy abo. Unimuka otibonsu waba otiho afani tima okita nkwasi asem. Say MPP ensu kura nkon no mu biem. Unimuka wabo. Na wona wotinche ya na ken koye the base no. Odwene say economically businessman say Canada Japan. Na nitua pefe say oko independent ana okreti party na obetimi awene elections a enka okoye primaries ebo kadodo we ya waboyi and na wasena ko invest for national campaign he mumu bi no mo yare wo mutim sorry ade na pie abodam na yaba abusha like video na share ma me enko yani ai ade na ya pie ate afaso misra mo fa nche me ade na ate afaso nke ya ate afaso bet masia ba machi ai maaju ame mo akwa bapa asem na ye ka no e serious so wa hwese ken nimu se so ko independent kura na obenwene so tini party a pro party na obenwene and can do things say he will spend all these monies, all this amount of money to go around the country begging MPP for say yemfa MPP flag and carrying a chi na obaba ye president. No, nko nyesa e wo se nchiro bibi ensem na no ankasa de na no ka kire wo se Ghana fo nyina ase ono na omo pe no na ye strategical communication communication yen kan say indoctrinate bajo temi ye pa kwa na ofa so kan asem te se Ghana fo ndc fo nyina so beto aba ma no na ye campaign mantra na ye de convince MPP delegates so monto aba ma Kennedy Japan but the reality on the ground on say na ente sa e entro enti se wote nchen a temi ye mesrew ya to aba na wie walusu accept that come back to the party they now yema party ni bia no sambre wachina beye na ka no baas no ba omia baas no chance ni mu kesi o chance ewo mu no eswa dom no doso wa look enipa dodo a omoye den e support papa yi regions ahodo omo support no se wan nyansem no ntem na wa maha amaye nyina anya adwuma no na wotena se a ebeduru ba be no ba unya ba bi kura na wagina wo nan mu na kampese wobetena se a watena se abane ya to awie wa obo ka wabo wa wodi wajapade kosi awowa na yaje afiri unsam aye wa ankasa wo case wa oba wo kasa efum som traye ekoba bia na wo se ekọ aye wa wo case. But what remain aye nyina ye interest aye ba akope MPP say John Dariga Dramani Mahama ni NDC 2028 ye be pam won te say oknaman a waba ofia anajo afiri akonwa no so. That is the collective decision, collective adwene say we MPP ni aye ne emla utim. Because my brother, my sister, I want to be honest with you. And Crofona Omunyina ko contested the 5 people, no. Dr. Kennedy, Brian, Yawase do trip, and Kwabena AGYAPONG. Senye Bawumia, none of them can guarantee the party a victory 2028. Hey, let them tell you whatever they want to tell you. Let them tell you whatever they want to tell you. Senye Dr. Bawumia, 2028, don't think about power. But with Dr. Bawumia, MPP have a potential turn back into power 2028. And it will be on record, say, John Mahama, the most useless president in the country. The most cruelest, the most insensitive president in the country. He has been given only one time for his party to rule. A better history. But se kofa kwabra Japan e ba ya nke ye hawma MPP. Ye kofa asabio Kennedy Japan e ba ya Kennedy Japan ne ho nsem no dooso. I don't want to go me pese me body amanfo kuro. Brachempo, he can never win 2028. Yaw Osei Aduchim, he can never win. But Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia stands a bigger chance to win 2028 for me and you. And so young people here, maybe what you do today, and say, Ube promote Dr. Bawumia agenda to win. Now, we hold Dr. Bawumia accountable 2029 on the premises or the mao. Ebini say every constituency, ebema government appointment 10. Ebini say constituency welfare data, database one and one. This is what you have to keep in your mind and push Dr. Bawumia agenda. Now, Kennedy, and Kokan MPP for SMBM. Kennedy, and Konan Koya campaign MPP, and Kennedy, and young one MPP ni BM no dear. Massa, Mumayaka. 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 And a million hours or say, there are some school children who currently think that Bawumia is the vice president of the republic. Here Tony Abuaso said the campaign bus has a few space. 2028, NDC is going back to opposition. It is clear. Bibia dana kwai. Because now me no kase NDC for ankasa kuresu. Me wi ameno be disa ankomo. Enti papa panyin efre otibonsu. Otibonsu e mesrew. Kede le Japan oyeye nipa. One no more only affairs in business. Or young people ni free young people and say papa ni dini. Say papa ni person free young people no ngoti ni kuwa. Mo no anka samira bonten e mebie na no kan kire MPP for say ene onka MPP hu biem. Na de mu yoi de mu yoi nsem bi amon kekan. No kin no vote no hwan no. Bra. This is why Moyonko and Chamqua be assured, say, Wono, won't train Nuruda, and money ye. And Tianyamia and say, Otibonswe, and Yajuman this time. And Yamia and say, no, Samoma can Japan the bunny team, it were bimpo, say, and Yamia and say, ya. Plans, awafa. Business ideas are wafa. Nina Abeka Daimo. Because the sources of funding will become a problem in the next MPP election presidency. And Tia Papa Nefino Tibonsu. Mibu. Medum so yesikani pa, yeso de ohuye. Papa. Unye Ghana ni, ensin Ghana ni bia. Ghana minor, every Ghanaian's home. Ghana mra, edi Ghana ni babia. Emfa hunso wosika, emfa hunso wunisika, emfa hunso ye bubuani, emfa hunso ye yarefo, emfa hunso wuntitwi, uye Ghana ni nkwadia. Ghana mra no, ebo ho ban esan di uso. Enti sa wodwene se uwo sika na sika ne nti a ahye utimu ma se you are above the law enti betumi aye de wo pa entenesa in a civil society no in a society aye civilians and as aye civil ya dwene mu adono the law. I mean, nobody is actually beyond the law. And this is who otibonsu usikanti utumi kofa amamfo binum nsase e de ye de ope abra court akire omupe face enhu nhia enkoye sa adwuma no na wo asoodere se wo sikanti okwa akoye na emra na diu na wahwere wusika mesrewa. Don't turn that one to be an issue of enemy. Say Dr. Bawumia na yire wo omoye wo enemies. Emma Dr. Bawumia na yire omoma meye watamfo. Enipa wo so nye watamfo ene wadwene da utim. Aye na menu suntia. Wo se nka ye nkata ye nima nkofa amamfo nsase na mfa nye de wo pe adentia wo sika. Adentia wo yam pipini. And yes, and the rule of law no echere. Everyone must to respect the rules and the regulations in the country. Enti otibonzu. Se u probine na ayaka. U probia consider no as your enemy. Adwene na eda wutima enam so. Emma wu to me say uko bubu obi dan. Say uko eda uko fo obi asase. Asisi dan si so. Na baba ye wo de by force no. Eye saa dwene no na wo so man emeye wo utamfo. Na nye Dr. Bawumia ene ne yere. Because enka ototo niema yi a senka sisire ni peseminkumi nya ma utima enka sabio usika na ohwere ye no nka wanhwere ena mistotie enye se ya ma wa mane se mankosi dan wo so court ka kire wo se saa asase no so no utumi nya hwe wo ho ena odi ani oden se wo sika wo ya pipi ni nti ukofo obi asase enye saa ena ye de tumi etena oman mu enye saa ena sabio so wo ye president a ye mfa tumi emmo owo na wodi bie nko ahoban ye de tumi ebo Ghana fo nyina ahoban ye de tumi etoto ne mama ne ko pepepe ewo manum ema Ghana fo nyina enti papa panyina afro otibonsu mesrawo se wadi umu asem na aka abu aka usima emane meye politika emane meye politika nkotweke ne Japan fa mehyem enti afero kwa koti party wodi ekọ na koti u party but enye ken na asoma wo emmese ne din wa bonten otibonsu allow Kennedy Japan to be who he is. Now, me what Tibo Sukra me didn't want me to say. What makes you think Second Japan could have won the primaries? Dear the mountain is Adrian. Ah, when Baba Bontia, what yet is come on Quasia for more medium, TV Sony, radio Sony, social medium. Our muye dede, Eddie say party no, or muye dede, Eddie can some. Omuye dede ede chicken in Japan and Genesis BBC say I was so free MPP. Why do you want to destroy your friend? Mr. Otibonsu. Dear na Kennedy Japan, there are person say na brabo. Dear no dear yo. Ah, na who call around that. Na unipa ne kasa. Na delegates eti hodin abo mutiase. Didn't that tell you something, say people are not happy with the message that you were sending around? Hey, I'm people delegates. Moniate rough. I'm people for niate. I'm people for tiamanyo semase. And to be young people ni be anonym say Kennedy is not going nowhere. And if Kennedy decide to go, they are not going with him. It will be the worst decision that Kennedy Japan could ever take in his political life. And to the sounding one and Medema Kennedy Japan supporters and they say, Mr. Mo, minim say ya, minim say the name of him, minim say I am yase munipano, and I say Ken, anti-mama me DMPP and him. Minim say ya, minim say Brimu Kro, minim say Mumubino Mudia with a hostel. But you say, a fear, any fear. It is a more qua on Samra. Na yenina, yen kaya ho dream mom. Na yen fanya jumadren. Near making sure, say, Dr. Bawumia, a bit me away 2028, no, at the ama party nunina. Na Boshe, and then to Yamuna, Papano, a catch the ye during the campaign time, no, Yahweh nim, so obey the amaye. Na yenina, ya sign accident. Na sabio sa madia na papa ne promises say e bi nsi biem no ye nyina ye hold na accountable say sa promises no obe deliver. We ye Kennedy Japan supporter, I'm pleading with you. Me see him animu ye, I'm pleading with you. We young people niba ya to abana wie, you lost. Come back home and let's work together. Nyankopon boa na Nyankopon ema Kennedy Japan kwantentena. After Dr. Bawumia, Ken can also become a president. Na se mo nya de mo ye na mo ma ne te ne ho a MPP contract kro nya bibiem na wayo wo de munya hu bibi what enti abusia message we na ye message a me de ma Canada, Japan, in Crawford. I decided to be polite. Yes, but I did be how can I so I can't control that one. And to what make us say but the bottom line is the coming back home message, and no, and they hear him pa. When you what? Na bass no space in a woman is swap. 1 month tama, you'll be left behind. Nadia me wo eka e de chire Canada Japan supporters anyway me de mo besi ya na ya to aso e wa another episode mo am fan chia kakra
watch out for Samira about
fan chia kakra emma abusiamfo nyina the base afa o see the base afa hey what there hey unyante hwe mam ko unyante hwe afa na waba Minya Ivan Sankama was so more aquaba yepa, and I mean, Joase also. Mima aquaba yepa. Say, yeah, we can a Japan camp for the no. Now we are going into another thing. Now, minim the entire Nipani Binu Mohua. A mom pe one brabo. A mom pe. Say, I don't know why some people don't think about their self. They always involve themselves in what they were not supposed to. Mami we yo tihoyi. Mami we. Your friend Mary Ewusi. Mary Ewusi we ya can we CEO of Free Zones, Ghana Free Zones, agribusiness and whatever. Sa mami we. Minim de ha no. Say akwa kono drobio. Se na dwene nya adwuma o se slave queen abrabono onyam firimu o se ekunu ni kunu ahodo a wakum omo maame wei emerima a wakum omo ye ka kire wa omo boro tre Captain Smart nyina ne maame wei ada sa slave queen wei na NDC party ye the most cheapest political party in the country chada party kurano I am more professional than NDC. NDC is a bunch of crooks and bunch of slave queens. And I'm of vice president to crowd 2 party Jubilee House. I said I cannot start talking about it unless you listen to this video. The message say like a video no na share mame comment it. Na found sa esi adoman so say there be a bad life for. We was about life no me abeche de wo ho atie. Yenti video way na yamfa show no mra osisi a
Ghana Funyina. You watch out for Samira Baumia. She's a very dangerous woman. Dangerous woman. I'm telling you this. Samira Baumia, we should watch out for her. She's a very dangerous.
But this on the running affairs.
Or no na running MPP affairs. Baumia is what? Samira Baumia, or ye oba Ghana ni ba. Me catch Ghana for say. Yenhwe Samira Baumia. Won hwe kwan fa so odi ko bubu wo bidangu ye even as a second lady. And we mean say possibility also obeko opposition wo ho. Mo hwe obeye nanu ya yeto aba ni kunu wini ye. Mo hwe kwan a nani ode hwe afenyo market. And Samira Baumia would deal with afenyo market. Of course. No wa ha mo hwe ade. To kwa beba. What is the mission say?
Okay, Abuja for mo hwe mame we anim ye pa. Yes, you are the CEO of Ghana Free Zone. Why? Mame, I have a question for you. Uti hui, uti pen, any Samira Baumia. Huh? Uti hui, we say the why you are uti hui. We are two abuma uti hui. Into he when you mean. O yonko, any Samira Baumia. Mame, see, Samira Baumia is a dangerous woman. Hey, yeah, kind of the most dangerous woman in the NDC administration and now. We mami way through her. That be we vice president in the mami way na tuaso. Sa mami way. Oye wouldn't you? Sa mami way na samobe kaya MPP ni bi babi yourself any Rosemary. No, yeah, I think so. No, yeah, either secretary or receptions. Or Dr. Bawumia office. But that name, I mean, we in a coffee, Saba no free Dr. Bawumia office. A corrupt no. A man is sika. A catcher say, Omra no bedin Trump from Wiura Dr. Bawumia. So said Dr. Bawumia, intimate take a decision. Said Dr. Bawumia, a weak man. I mean, we. Enti wo dini ante se wo utimi tua sika ma obi adansi kunumu wo tua sika ma ye de ya adansi kunumu di tia obi wo nye dangerous wo ti wo nye dangerous but obi a wa hodu a PhD sa hodo obi a oko around the country and around the globe a common powerful speech intellectual speech ono na ye dangerous obi ono ye wo no ɔware ni kunu ho ana ɔte amepemene ene wo ahyawo ni ba te sɛ wo a captain kwasiampa yin smart no mu nyina awuropie to ibi captain kwasiampa yin smart no mu nyina awuropie to wo ye ti ho ibi wo useless woman like you useless woman like you wo timi bi wa no ka kire ne ka sɛ Samira Bawumia a dangerous woman. On what? Do you want to tell me, so, are you dangerous because she's intelligent than you? Do you want to tell me that, are you dangerous because she's more formidable than you? So you're dangerous because are you more, you can say, are you more diplomat than you? Mame, baby, I go to see you, no. Afeba any bossumi miensanye for our achievement but to abontain. Now in this party na ye the cheapest party in the country. And the kwasiampanyi ni be etimi di CEO man ye. Tipon kosu kakabiri ni bia etimi di CEO man ye. Ai slave queen bia etimi di CEO man ye. And inti a wo kohwini maame ante se wo yetima o CEO. The question is, we have more than 1 year that you have been holding that office. Then what to my Marima and I want to some more office. Yenim nina. Mema hodwa ne tuba office. Obi asoba one da. Obi aba one da. Since a Captain Smart say on to me no na biem because what is a welcome ukunu no miensa into ntimi no na. Since then, what done on slave queen Cassia in the MPP and NDC party? A man no mumbi be best so who will be a monfabia. Mammy was a monfamada, magic. Nanimunie pen on another way. Koshuni pa Koshuni or Baba Kwa won kwa, Wawadia Hodo a Wakonina, Wawadi Marima and San. Somebody mammy and Sunny in a namino Casomuno Mosha Sassiasi, or Munina woo. Why in the cool dear neto won, at the woody one crack or G to me biana. Woody one pass echo G sicana. A barney saying na won qua or barbasia. Or barbasia bakupe won qua. And many mammy and some no tana inina, or munina hid one qua. Dear ne wo fee, dear bonny ne wo team. Retro ben now practice it. Now wo be can't be so be dangerous. Jimmy Samira Bawumia may be intelligent than you. And it's a minimum. An intelligence na higher than you, no. And a man will consider no as a dangerous person there. And I do understand you. Because Samira Baye Vice President, inshallah 2029. Nediano, enye comic, enye comedian, enye funny statement. He said, "Dear mama, amena mudi na chia." Ne hunyi na ati se akokono. Iba shakama. Yeah, medium crofo mo amabro. Samina Baye Vice President, I saw the First Lady. Oh, you know to say akokono na onenam Jubilee House ho. Oh, ye ne ho say anamu nyina go mami, mo yare. Samira adwene da ne tim. mo marima no mu di ndisi anim no munya na adwene bi anka mo bepe na yese barima ne niema si ne yie ne niema oyo koso yie no na ekire se owo ba papa e wo fie enti dia na waka na nka ba omi amra na no medi nkomo mfa de oye ho ana maame asema Ghana fo pe afiri wanum ene se wukunu no miensa na omo wuye no de ne ku won bra na be yi ano de yesen bi sa nso ne se eba ne sen na chimpanzee maame ete se wo a wo de ade kokwa afofa wanim utumi ne another chimpanzee a nanim te se ofunu a ya deda no Captain Smart ekodaye. These are the questions that Ghanaians are asking when na ya de ehun hia. Third question any say the 4 years now and 1.5 year oti office ye de ama no at the papa ben and watumi aye e de ama Ghana man prana be yi ano. That is the most important. Enye nkwasia keka ne nkwasia propaganda no na afi we wo ho mo de ba ye betu o mo de ba ye betu mo di si ya ye betwa ye nya mo mu ni nkwasem enti konna sambra biem na se ye ka somebody actually or ye wicked no ye very very dangerous pa Mame Ewusi we a killer we a destroyer bari ma bi ode na ho bebo wa abrabo mu bia no umani wu eni nti enne aka wo nko a akosi akuma no obia mie so ma wo se aka wo nko a wo se aka wo nko a akosi akuma no obia mie so ma na ato ne nkwase akeka mame hebibi ye na this time around the MPP is serious, stronger, ready than ever to face you fools with this type of stupid statement. Mr. This for Mokasa Monfa logic, reasonable discussions, Emra. Na ye ni hon komo. Mr. Mokasa, mo ye argumenta. Monfa reasonable statement. Reasonable what them call dialogue ombra na ye ni hon komo. Na munya sankwasi akeka we no. Among your leadership, no, it is not about this gossip issues. We are the one who Kona Sambra Beam. Konantina Padrina Sambra Beam. O de Babiema, we will tell you, your bachelor baby of free. Your bachelor, actual baby, a ye travel fruit. Your bachelor, actual baby, a ye goo, Kosi Kumanu Munsu. Mamma Kurogu, Kosi Kumanunsu. Your bachelor, actually, I say, Yare 4 bar. Jimmy. Who enyan this amanyo kone yen kwasi afoku a nka wo betumi anya position to say CEO. In fact, office here de kotu mu yi emari man na wo receive o mo ho. Adwuma be na waye. 1.5 year. 1.5 year. Tell me one single company what to me build the relation. Am I omo Ghana because of say omo ba won't you omo tax. Tell me one company untimi nya hwe. Otio na waye o to te se bancha. Ya packing o Sevi Coco bodiem. Sevi Coco bagima. Yadi ato kaso efri Sevi bopa. Edi ebedru kumase. When nim tofu sepa no eton ya amene. O yare. Bibi how? Also young town. And I'm Samina ni atese wuntino. You hate her because onyan sansino. Omwa wodam. Jimmy, mo party na atete apansam no. Mo party no enene say Ghana manya kokwa akuafo for the first time in the history. Yato won koko na yentimi ntua wonka. Mo party no enene emu communicators, emu radio presenters, emu social media commentators ajiga say party na say no. Amanfo esuso mo pa adwuma ye. We a free zone CEO. Your duty is to make sure, say, there will be new creation of companies through tax free. Jimmy, obey the na waye. Me Kofi Frank Mwakwaba. Obetra konwano mu no. Company for Ben, what me am I build it through your tax-free, what them call a policy now. Ekura wonsam. Onye and kwasi akeka na wokeka. Come and address the issue about the cocoa. Come and tell us why the NDC cannot pay our cocoa farmers. Come and tell us why, for the first time, John Dalaga Dramani Mahama want to reduce prices of cocoa bag. That is what you have to talk about. Jimmy, unemployment now. I saw a man for con. Nurse for a yentia wonka. A teacher for a yentia wonka. A teacher for actually 2 years. Nurse for 1.5 years. Omo amuya juma cocoa board staff. Omo amuya juma cocoa board. Ebinum yenti omuka 1.5 years. That is what you have to talk about. When Nimusa Mampama Yapam na wajain. Midin yani Rush Media. I hire Kennedy Japan Junior. Meboa. Page na Jeffrey Misem. Rush Media GH on YouTube and on Facebook. Like a video no. Na share mame. Comment na mi hunchia. Unsubscribe boya. Make sure you subscribe. Mame. Mesi ene. Radio presenters or Muya Jumadema Monkwasia party, no, they have regretted. And now, lack of leadership quality, moon showcase across the whole country. And on can want them. Obeka Otibonzua, what could dim Kwasia Sem, Oko Sisi Obiajin Asa Semra, actually in Segunachi. You are using that one to tag Samira Bawumia. Jimmy, do you fear Sem? Afenyo Markets, Obibian Hortano. Dr. Bawumia and Samira Bawumia, they are people, their profile is very high. They do understand politics. Now, I mean, can't say I said man can before. The fact that Fenyo Markets here campaign Mark Kennedy upon and your problem. Now, I'm going to put me down and say, so yes, I did know. Because Senka Kennedy upon yes, I number no nya yana. Some of the people showed to him, say, or you're incompetent to be a president, but he's a good man with them. No, in one way, no, he was gratified by some people. And Tiafenyo, Samira and Taino, Dr. Bawumia and Taino, and people need be any whole time for your markets. And Timesro. Sama foma fufa momfan komo party num na ho na janetare ene mahama ne ase dunkatia omonka ase dunkatia nam eye thank you to ope president yadi mahama kan asema na ase dunkatia so ne se ewo ha. That is what you have to talk about. Kamu de mo asem ye de ne ya wie eye peaceful mo de ne ebeduru so mo de no enche ebeduru so. Why in the country says Samina Bawumia time for your markets? Why in the country says Samina Bawumia share for your markets? Oh, Dr. Bawumia fee or the Nibi here no time so. Ewa hifa. After your markets was welcome. Yet to abani we you know. The first person Dr. Bawumia ni share from Parliament. After your markets. Mundi mohe. Down kwasia kekan kwa negumuti na can kwasia sem sa e de ye propaganda sa de aba power multi power so enso moto hihye Jimmy, next time ukwa na wasan de aba biem who born dog Kennedy na asem obaju bread fool who born dog Jimmy obi asem ba she obia no wodi ntitimu ba MPP who be di Samira Bawumia tem na wabusuam ye de wo ka wabusuamfo nyina ho a Samira ne sunipa bi ewo fie. Samira sunipa bi wo fie. Hebra wabre. Tamale campaign NDC campaign manager when anim omodam. Ene koi party na tete agu he tie de omoko ha. We num na wo se mo nka ho asem ho NDC fo. Your time is coming among your primaries. That is where the fire is going to set. Yehu de mo ye. Mo John Mahama was allowed to contest 3, 4, 5 times. Yamobi and contesting. This time the NDC is going internal elections. You will see. You will see what is going to happen here. because and to trust them eye NDC ni biade mo be hu de besie ti asem ti video we
nka bibia boko baby didi
Ebi buada.
bibia e fine ebi nso hu tiom wo ti we wankasa wo enko ye ma wo muga bi enko ye ma so nka o we hope I see outside gentility home cry enko ye ma kano muntia tiefo ahwe masafa camera ntu muga bi so onka ongumani mu asenne si ono eba ye afa opportunity na wunya abebe twam na wuntime nya bi sa konya kesi a wuti swinti ga utime nya slot na wa ban aba ku betra na wudi wa ID card say me card ni me member me ambassador me wa na se na we ambassador
The campaign fund.
na police ku a wuni one slot fire service wuni slot no ba ku fa di not so wuntime nka o se koye say amam for alpha course CV so mu da ba mu de na watima ye waduma na won mi wa no nka no kwente nipa wo beta ka de we wo jan nu ye bi jan ne enimu wo mu ntenye se na wote na wo ka no kre na wotimi ka no kwente nipa mo ga bi mi pesi mi hu sa aja no wa nya ban wa nka ntre mo di sa na ko ye ka wo mu nya ma mo nka mo ene abie kokobo die na abie edi na musa na eko 1 year ni MPP anya kokobo die o me ka dis afina hwehwe ama no anomukura mu o mu nya na nya china le ba ni e kana mutie ni eto di pafo na mutie yanka ya no abia du hwe pa honde na hwe na nimdie na wo de dwuma hye ne nsa na football managers kokobo die va obey Okudia ever football. The moment you know, oh, had the name Mokamanko. And yellow. Maji, and yes, son, but what do you swear? Monsieur Sunny, they bedroom.
I will say a moment video will be a moment review and this in Ipo. I had a Yakupo Shira, and I had a Yakupo Shira. Moment a moment here.
And your book, I mean to make a boko. Baby didi.
Ebi buada.
Bibia e fine ebi nso hu tiom wo ti we wankasa wo enko ye ma wo muga bi enko ye ma so nka o we hope I see outside gentility home cry enko ye ma kano muntia tiefo ahwe masafa camera ntu muga bi so onka ongumani mu asenne si ono eba ye afa opportunity na wunya abebe twam na wuntime nya bi sa konya kesi a wuti swinti ga utime nya slot na wa ban aba ku betra na wudi wa ID card say me card ni me member me ambassador me wa na se na we ambassador
The campaign fund.
na police ku a wuni one slot fire service wuni slot no ba ku fa di not so wuntime nka o se koye say amam for alpha course CV so mu da ba mu de na watima ye waduma na won mi wa no nka no kwente nipa wo beta ka de wo jan nu ye bi jan ne enimu wo mu ntenye se na wote na wo ka no kre na wotimi ka no kwente nipa mo ga bi mi pesi mi hu sa aja no wa nya ban wa nka ntre mo di sa na eko ye ka wo mu nya ma mo nka mo ene abie kokobo die na abie edi na musa na eko 1 year ni MPP anya kokobo die o me ka dis afina hwehwe ama no anomukura mu o mu nya na nya china le ba ni e kana mutie ni eto di pafo na mutie yanka ya no abia du hwe pa honde na hwe na nimdie na wo de dwuma hye ne nsa na football managers kokobo die va obey Okudia ever football. The moment you know, oh, had the name Mokamanko. And yellow. Maji, and yes, son, but what do you swear? Monsieur Sunny, they bedroom.
Asabresre. Omusu. And this fuesu. Mogabio. The Gumbe. Akono yesho defend the Gumbe. The Gumbe show. Mogabi. Ese komodo. And sema kwa we yaka. Daniel. Boa mame mwakwa papa. Mogabi we yaka na semi. Kwa ofa asudi na nado atem ni MPP atem no. Ene komodo no. Wa se no ankasa ne yonko ka kire no. O se onka no kore. Se NDC aban ya aban fun. NDC fu. Omo se Mogabi mi na no nkasa NDC aban fun. Na adwuma na omo ye no ho nte. NDC fu na esu ene ni nyina about the Ghana Cocoa Board and sema asi wo ho ene. Now they are so disrespectful. Say ene omo ahase omo comedians omo kop many platforms so a omo ahase didi cocoa kuafo na tem so omo ye ignorance. Omo ye ignorance. Ye didi omo atem enra John Dariga Dramani Mahama unim se wakoso trouble into the lives of the Ghana cocoa farmers. Ghana cocoa kuafo no muntia school fees ma omoma. No muntia ntade ni de umbedi ma omoma wo school. But still Nanado was paying them good. And then who untia omoka omoma school sem abaye sika sem. Enkrofo yenya sabio se omonko ye kire de akire na omo aba beduru Accra ne Takura de ne various cocoa board headquarters na omo ye demonstration a wo John Dariga Dramani Mahama ne na aban atumi atena se ahwema nkokorafo ne akuafo ada abonten enra abra polisifo nko gina obonchen abra yamfa tende anko hokora nkoko se ye ko show a kind of party with them na nkomo ate omo ho ase o sori a na ubetwa omo poa president mua na obetwa betwa omo poa I'm a farmer. I have 50 acres of land, so I also feel the pain. This is how you want to console them. You can't say send a sika. Send a sika no kurapo. Yeah. Your assembly, your boy the bear coming minkai. Minkai said the sika and me free. Is that the way that we pass through the pains together with the people by telling them, Meso me boka, Oboka say, we are president. What's the Sagana Japa de good, Eddie Amau Umia ene or ye full miner our site kesiye. Last time I buy with the boxer at Nemano. This time the obe what tongue Eddie Amano kura a gold mining site. Enti wo kombedo ohiani bi odoni kokwa official wasisa 5 bags 10 bags o sune how kane how de kirewo na wabegina ho betwa ne mpoa be kan kwase akeka Jimmy Kasa panyini nkasasa panyini entimi nkasasa yeah console and to sympathize with them untumi emegina bonten may use this kind of expressions like insulting. Oh, madam, Papa, why not you say can ye dinner, sir? Who taught you how to be a leader? Who taught you? Why did you learn how to become a leader? A leadership quality. What's your leader? Characters of a leader. What read the book where baby saw? Now no, also ye homeless. Now, hey. Wow, Ghana for no, a duba be a most fata. Edru babia mose fatasi de beyemo nano John Mahama so de bay no ye homeless obi o ye homeless na ose aka che enso say owo 50 acres of land de ye cocoa farm no mi say mama say waso sikan muda o ye cocoa farm no as a hobby and as o ye cocoa farm and say ni way to survive. Na ehiafo e ka omo aseme e ka omo hawo demonstrate ahokyere odi omo afam entete bone on de tete wona no wa begina ho ba be din tro de akyere won say wo 50 acres of land na wo de ye sa na kuafo na enra enkokurafo na enra ugya wo mo abonten ma wo da abonten no ehun sunsanso enam kwan so eba abusua medin ene Mr. Mafo Ras Media GH on YouTube and on Facebook. Premachi akwana subscribe to my channel. Fonsa esi adomano so. Said ebe ya me ba live for ubenya notification. Na wone me abeche dwuma de na di. Me de mo besia mabie phone lines na tum utumi frɛ na wakyere wadwen. Ofra na waye ne short said ebe ya enkaifo so ebenya bi afrɛ. Ene ye happy Saturday. Ras Media ne ye bo modern eba ntem se betim ne mo adi nkomo ache because these days enam miwia political zone the time ode ba me yewia kakari TV so the time ode ba nti many times I have to push myself into a time be na very late but abusia that is the only thing that I can do and yes am any amount for be crash yes aso na videos enye kama because nyina ye adwuma baako nti ene de me hu say yes ankoba bia so I came early so that we can have a chat enti ba bia phone last na tum osu tumi frɛ na wakyere wadwen afa nsema ene Ras Media Mr. Mafo aka money making machine me de beto wanim no osu tumi frɛ na wakyere wadwen afa ho don't hesitate to call na me so say o hwe ni nyina no na o like video no ya comment nso na yehu enkan emfa ma me de ntia kese ema miwia Ivan Sankama Samuel Ajiman me maame ya frempo maame mo akwa bapa sanso na me chia miwia Tony Yeboa me chia Daniel Boa ma we so asana ni me chia pa Daniel Boa ma me chia Kofi Large Kofi Frank me chia ye pa Tony Yeboa me chia Manko me chia ye pa Jose wa maame me chia ye pa ena miwia Maajwa mechia ye pa mame akwia afro papa bi mechia ye pa Kofi Large ya mechia Moses Oduro mechia ye pa me mame akwia nyako mechia Kwesi Boate mechia ye pa Linda Amoako mechia ena Wilson wonso mechia Richard mechia Ophelia Asare mechia me mame Esther Keba di mame mechia ye pa Miss B the sweetest voice ever mechia ye pa me Alex as Israel mechia wonso ye pa yeah mechia mu nyina da mu nyina ase na mo bra busia na bia phone lines na tum we se metuma afa ko bia ya me mame Esther frɛ mame emfa ye mame Esther na yemfa ento ado yeah hello mame Esther eye pa mame mo akwa ba ye pa ho te say me to nka chak
oh Michelle
kakra atiefo nyina aje wo so amen amen yeah
maba oba na odo nani bre akosue on say se Canada Japan amanfo keka on say so we ye panyini na enkola eto na nsesem wo public na wo panyin no wanya akukubro na wamba bontene ameka se ade a nkrofo yi keka menim ho hwa na se munya de mo keka no na wantumi am be issue bibia wa bontene a it means that the omo kan woni je ho
yes
so what you say
yeah
me in particular no me photo no say the omo keka because onyame abode no ni nyina enye den enye peda
absolutely
I hope said the American would tell us Mr.
Oh, I am very clear.
Onyame abode ni nyina enye den enye peda anye bia ne ye wo bi wo ho a mistake be
Yeah.
Sana political yibiano ye were Jimmy for on your way and for.
Yeah.
A Jimmy for no ena wuka bibia or montiate. Ena the person would destroy political career no.
Yeah.
One in the big push kwa ye papa Allen.
Yeah.
Nipa bebre ye day pushi no.
Yes.
Ama ne kwa ye die ni kwa so ye day. Oye. So what is the mature no? And wo ye na the political career abana wiye. Sana kan echita for ye ni yodum. But me dey metumi akalify bi say ono ama public. It no me for to no bebre. Na so oba public dey ni ehun ba bi a oni pe ye dey kasa because the omo tete no omo kasa omo nom nkwan hunu na hwini mu no dey ye nka omo hwe. Enti omo nkoso nka but say ye pese ye nyina ye kabom ne ye adwuma dey a sankrofo wei mamu nkonkonko tietie omo because sabita frache wo omo no omo abrochire no kura na omo kasa de maka no omo kura no omo jimi omo so jimi fo a wo free omo Ghana aba abrochire e ka wo kura mpo na abeka se papa asem wei ye ma bygone to be bygone e bibi atonye dey entwa ne nko that is a mood and Yamafua Mahama and Nkrofo air or man mono. I am from Mufo.
Yeah.
Mufo. It's a mirror a dear cell was a Ghana for Yabaya dream that one year who answer. What Trigana Babru says when him be what dream boy. Jimina would the free cocoa national with the Babru children, and no one other said their frabru their cocoa nothing. What kind of character are we holding?
Yeah.
And now what character are we carrying it around us? So Baba just social media from something that so no one can come what you do be at them and expect and it is a kuku. What you do be at them and some you know Emma, we man in public and I said, will you buy in public? No. Can ye a woman a medin throw and to a biso, then send the career and send the dignity. And what Bontina we are, what's I can send the pacron or many ones for it. Oh, Yami was here now.
Of course.
So,
But what menka?
Onyame ehwe nyina onyame eyeden
Ehwe nyina
ehwe nyina eti eye batama ewo se ensem bia enema bia ye wo amasantin tansu ye begyan ya to abawie obia na obia ni hwe de ye besososo ni ye hu ayi ndisi fu afiri aka to mo se omu nima mamuo wo majority of parliament and so mu nima mamuo omu ye jimifo omu nkono mu nkosua nyansa me bra kuma bi onenam TikTok o ka se Ghana fo ye panipa momo buman ya musia di so what ya se eti munya sa niema no na me ba ma me no kokko tena se onua TV o se SYZ o jimi no no wo ma wo ba wo baba beka oba ta ne nyonko ba chi ama ni move forward
yeah.
Ghana, Mahama Bay, see or vice president. Vice president, Lord, you will not. Vice president, you will not. But the moon customer mind back say, Tama Nana to Sono. Akra, and then who could school be a Nakubusa say, who is our vice president? They still remember Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Monshe, Mamia Muswa, professor Yakofana Bessie, Muhedia warrior. Oh, eti Ghana for a batama, ye be japesimi munkunya ni chimino. No mama omo wa dwunu do no mo dwunu wo man ho no ebe carry e ma oba betena ho e kase do ai Samila Bawumia o ye dangerous. Samila Bawumia ye dangerous, madam. What about you? What dangerous are you? Samila Bawumia de wabeka so ye dangerous. Yeti ye hu ni character wa bontere. Na wonso de ase kokwa mu e wo wuntima mu wa nanim. Mame, why nanim? Ah? Eti munya munsem hunu na munya enim guasia. Modi ku mame no ene ni kunu no. Enough is enough. Ya bramo ene munsem hunu na mode te Ghana no. Mahama beti to Ghana sika ama mo die ene niema hu ama matena Ghana no maye nsamfo ene kokofo abro mo bre media fo nyina ka mo no ato nyame betwa mu nyina mo ka onyame bebusa mu nyina ati wososo wanya ama wonua na wanya ama me mawurade monkoso na mo ma ohiafo nya hiafo na mo de mu ndidi sepe na mo ntena ho ne sweat ena wudi o kanu me ba kokora to so kra onyame obetuaka no be ansa mo brohu ne no asene wa wo se wote Jubilee House wo no mwa usamaf maminya
me da se bevere mame nyame nka ho ye mame Esther ena yete ne kana busian for phone lines na ye bie dam usu tumi frɛ na wachire wadwen yie pa yeah kone one by one ai minya Evans ya Evans aja hello Evans ma wakwa aba
hello
aja otiminka
hello Ras
Evans ba otiminka metonka pa mesro me de oto that let into the system say be our sound rebetri ye won't minka kora na meti why yeah
ba omo ha nyina na me mo abaso ne adwuma pa mo ye wona Felix ne SKB na other brothers na omo adwuma na especially me fa chiama ye nua reta also obo adwuma o TikTok wona say me ta follow mo honum
okay
me ko ti obo kakra bro mame ka asem we na Ghana for no say bio and this for adwene yo mo say send your 6 million bi no munya ya mbotu mo I from 6 million foods mbotu mo to mfi say bia obia o Ghana because Ghana population is about 35 million.
Yeah.
That's a population of 35 million. That's a whole we need about 6.3 million. And can I say automatically no nipa mo kira o mudi kura buso mbeto aban ko no almost 18 to 19 million.
Yeah.
One ma anyamu even 8 million ko but rather no unyamu 6.3. It is a wagon that you say bia Ghana for nyina na pe wasem no moto aba mawa that is a dreaming which NDC is dreaming.
Yeah.
Na enyame nwa NDC for back power and America ko fan to kwa Donald Trump ya we me president ampena sem power ko no. Ko fan to kwa trade war and dollar sorting no mo sa pompi bigum. And dollar no buy for man on fi say bia mo ya djuma. No am say mahama ya de. Oil so te wa amasan dwa so akufu ado tam na oil ko 1 barrel of oil na almost 120 to 130 dollars or pounds per barrel. No na dollar oil no cost mahama ba yeso abakura bedu be say almost 48 to 50 dollars per barrel.
Yes.
Almost say mahama say decisive implementation no ma ja mo say mahama o man ka say well market price o make be si kokoo akua for die so o man ka say well market price o but o say mahama o bon homodin aban papa aba and the cocoa price so tie ba almost 4,000 plus which kwampa enu na kufu ado de na so to ba 1,800 and they almost say well market price na edokopoku man no kwa de hu na ni ma me hu se bio akani bunu ni panyini a wagimi sa
ntibida
that edokopoku man pena sem da since edokopoku ba seen as a political figure. Okasa kwa bogu se na nimi Jimmy.
Yeah.
Oye useless man. Timi jai wa djuma ho no ya ma agric minister. Na wa jai sa agric minister djuma na farmers sofa. Akoko farmers sofa wo papa akoko no do de hwe o erikopogu. Na wa kwotna gold board defend sami jamfi wa wi aga na ska. Oye useless man, oye foolish man. Men fa se bento so. Erikopogu ye foolish, one of the foolish members of parliament. Oya kania o san free ahafo osa ye MP a ofri min sa side honum e ya na ye me ya say enya sare Jimmy for bet obi kan tell me say moment obi person start say o Jimmy bia no o de hokodwan NDC because MPP ye na e kura ye underground ko ba ye underdog so aburo ye be he guse na NDC for omumpanyi bi they call themselves like NDC they call them NDC gurus.
Aye.
These are stubborn gurus. Goro boys. Sana yam kolom. Eti in fact mahama ade bi e beba papa bi NDC for ka se omo de no koko prices septi our masan dwa so de an omo timi ehu se sa wi ase minim se international market bibi happen or hon affect Ghana.
Affect Ghana money ye.
Mahama the same Mahama catch the Ghana phone na and Akufo-Addo say COVID the nya hwe we ase na ye na ye incompetent. Akufo-Addo na ye incompetent don't mean ye adwuma na ode hye COVID na Russia Ukraine war. Mahama cocoa plus keke Ghana just one sector cocoa sector keke offer cabinet meeting na say ka say ye emergency cabinet meeting na et say we are seeing nyina problem na so money nyina pandemic bi na say bi epidemic bi asi na ya free emergency cabinet meeting na ya ye bibi eno kwa yemfa bill bi akọ parliament because emergency say na BC 2019-2020 which is COVID no Ghana for ehu say we are seeing nyina ya toto body sim country bi amakwa wo bi nko ne krom hon na free emergency cabinet meeting because idea have affected the whole nation. Just one sector of cocoa farm cocoa board one sector pa wakofa urandia bia oye sports journalist na ono sports journalist ko bonye se bia oye sports person oye the papa bia ho just oti board so aye man kakra ta fere na osati radio so di kwasem and as go me because of oba ho dia cocoa board CEO no oje almost 90,000 we say 80,000 nti oye madam for me fa ko no oje 80,000 na wa amamu be say 20,000 na so de na aka hye boto na ka se bi o wi ase we ye pe coach ya mana coach Real Madrid team yankofa obi a oye se bio boxer se nko coach Real Madrid team ye fa obi a abobo no bi pen na wa coach team pen ye hu say we dey oye best to on the field adent na okofa obi a ono was sports sector se nko coach onko he cocoa farmers abra wo se fom da onim cocoa haban ne body haban listo we ono akura kan but this is where we are because Ghana for your imagine say they are going to do with MPP MPP for year into Abama and Abama clueless and incompetent people who don't know their left from right. And you what Ghana for Nankasano may sure say or must start to feel the heat and they are going to feel it up to 2028. No matter no matter about Papa, their ma Dr. Baumia, no Ababa no my now so you reckon the Japan. Maybe advance some person the Bema brother Pani senior mine. And they say ama fo ayanaza ayane wakadre 2023 ekoye primaries esanse na misunderstanding no manoma ba party no mutino alatira matente no hono na unya opportunity no konya that 37 no tino fi say oh MPP for don ni padodo na don but ya na mistake ya na omoye ene ne nkrofo no supporters bebre omoye a chese tibon koso fo no bi on friend si fo abeka ho a omo support no ye ne say wo nya 37 wo say Ghana for pew MPP for do obi anya 61 on the empenasem yetano fine fast forward ya ba 2026 ya beto about 37 go the ones anya bi mu eso atia ba be 23%. Yes no amafo bi da so di wachi say yen kope party fa ko hye na onko na anya me nwa because o musika na Japan wadidi asofo be atem last time obi di nkomo na o mahu say o president adi by force nti kwa am so be fa so am be make no because Ghana asofo no de wonya bi o ho de o ho ba say cream
wawie
ye be you ebi no mo de ya lanche matin say na Mrs. San be kan no alanche matin say o ko te afra franto nyina nya because of na bi no o mu say alanche matin ya president obedi na asofo fo na ko gada no say wo MPP for ni wani ye nti wote ho MPP for beto abana ma be president the same asofo na mo share ne san kom no ade ke no mo gina Mahama so de nkuto efran say Mahama you are come to be a president ena Mahama alanche matin yakoto about the whole Ghana people of about 18 point something million mudin as a nipa mbet mato abano unya muta to 1,000 share the akrampo ase bi ona ye obi anim no a oba akrampo nya almost 80,000 plus the whole Ghana vote onya akrampo nru say me constituency which is fine vote akrampo nru sa e just say we useless man MPP ni bia obeto abama na Ghana for na mo ye serious na mo to abama enti kana je post one side no aba enti so ahweye na wo tietie sa euphoria members ne sa ankrofo bi na from emega nom ne sa ankrofo no dia omo ready say kakra bedi Canada Japan ombeji no mo dia akodi na yeto aban so a MPP party there's nobody who can break the party
absolutely
party be free eba bedu Ghana no make market say this party friend MPP which is UGCC abaye UP abaye PP PFP abesi nne nipa da sani bia ne honma what me agusa party no asoja fo ye coup numerous of coups party that so in existence and this Canada Japan and Crawford say if they break out it's going to break MPP they are thinking they have to think twice na saa nkrofo no mudi akire so omo ye ne yodom no nye se bi omo pe ne ye kakra na wo no ombe je di because omo kan nyina no bia no mo be contribution me contribute am me contribute man PP direct but omo mo di na chi no bia no be contribute kan je fakwa campaign o de no mom no be sen je di because there are bunch of people who don't try to work be be tia brochi na no ma mo di kan AGYAPONG because of say ombenya bibia free no omo de TikTok say ye mama what you say enti unia ye me metima ka kire kan AGYAPONG so officer you truly patriot there on forget about the SCB and na omra board so ne oka no o meka party no na ye fighting for 2028 na ye 2 million free NDC for ye NDC for the omra started the handing note for the next government because we Mahama ne normal way nyina bibia say Mahama we already say all the party bi ama NDC for and say oye bibi papa bi a be bo NDC 2028 because one say you say e den ya bia me offer asenu ketia no de meba asenu ketia so one na twema so ntino o mwa no mane ntimi e ma me nwuni nti ne obe ya say ono pension pay ene ne pension sika o de be bo na yere ne ma ene ne offer ase muta bawa mutari no na omo agodi ye na anya because of say oye bibi papa bi am Ghana for Mahama have nothing good for Ghanaians because the all bi nyina say ma me fa nipa metumi control mo metumi akire mo ne omonye na me fa mo hye ba bia adidi o wo hwe Mahama ponti se o ponti o mo nyina ye nipa Mahama na control mo adenti na okanyem so all the samija fi kwa akodo gold board obi a onye adwuma da o si o ye lawyer onye bibia da na o de koto precious mineral and ene bibia for sika bia big bia na ene go do ya na Ghana mo say sustain the economy now they are branch ya koto na ho nti I say they put people in their places where they can control and manipulate them. Sa 214 million bi am say ya loss enye loss Mahama gini sika nyina ka wabo from 2016 to 2024 nyina no oba gini nyina se na wako nti Ghana for no de nya Mahama o me ya de papa bi amaye na o me ya de papa bi amaye na nipa e be factor mo pass ya NDC for do na ya NDC for because NDC for na nkasa na o ma start come mo num sem e kire omo am say omba omanya de onya hwe because Mahama does not think about you. Enti uria me de na meti maka and say NDC
okay
it's left to yes on say e can ho bom na ya adwumaden na doctor on the solution to Ghana problem na womra na ma me na o ko tra ho ke kan se hunu de ya na me lo ma de ya na me pem ma ho asem kan tino sa se hunu o ka fa ye ma me se mi da ho no sa ma me me so say wati bi wona so because so Samira Baumia is dangerous now. Yeah, pe obi o dangerous. Ye pe obi a onye easy
to manipulate.
Ubet me a can say ye pe oba se Samira na wa libi dem pe oba de get ma abutu a original United Nations o kasa se send your Bangladesh ni ka brofo o ka brofo tantan ken ya o jasia ma me no nim be sa ma me dem pe sa type of first lady ye pe first lady Obetuma stand on her ground. Now, what can you and I'm going to focus every successful man behind there's a beautiful woman and brains behind.
Yeah.
Sata of a bad in a young I would be about near a key. Because so Samida, I have to support me. Sata of man in 10 years, the source I made us become about. Some man and would not much a fighting for the good and the good cause of their husbands. Sata of man being a petty, sir, the Kulasini Mamina. Ono no se do asha wonti wonni no ho adage ye makwai mane me fa ne area me fa me ku yegale se o mi da ba o ya de se o mutimi e hodu ma me an ketre ma butu a otimi nka otimi twere ni din kwampo na se mu fi se ono de wo ye mo angela se o mi da ba o mia is our dem god and that woman na ho ofe eni ni sport kwampo che se NDC kwampo kope no be kwampo kope anyeye ba mutari because I don't say Baumia wife. Samira so ya because Samira Baumia because of said one fake.
Or intelligent. Yeah.
With the brains.
Yeah.
I want plus brains no and that is see what you say but yeah also about people for pass no we answer. We ma dey. Maybe na kwa dollar na or shape every no ma shape mutanka. But I and then the camp of money party as and now go United Nations now camp of Bangladesh here. Obi ofri you want say Hong Kong and Obi ofri England or no what as
what the okay
crown country we have people and just say Obi hope me that sorry the biara say in Croft one in the cronies, you say, my bill Rodina. Rodina, dear, gone away assembly my wife. Never ran on open about him. But I did hear the two of them. Then becomes them Bahama was not prepared to become a leader in Ghana. But unfortunately, seeing nice, you know, as the Ghana constitution, no matter opportunity, no, I did mine. When you be that, and I want you be so that. Nidian say, Mahama say, and this is former player, because Mahama, uncle forever and ever.
Yeah.
You know the reason why?
Nobody is there.
I'm not from winning yet. I'll make me you know. Omu say Mahama, dear, or Honma. Mahama, who is a contract with the one more time, I only more.
Wow.
And what's all kind of now saying,
Oh,
what are you talking about? Signing here. Now I sign up, what you for a bracket here. Or no one more brother, no, I want to die $3 million. Because Mahama signed documents now, or signed without reading it. Mahama documents with the one more sign. One kind of put a campus over here, what do? Because when say Mahama, no, you're incompetent and very clueless. It is your man, so dear, no, you're be a better when you're going to start. And this is what we're now, or more pepper on up on said, Mahama is their God.
but I also see Evans, Yamenka. Area Evans, and I attend and can I was young for phone line near beat them. Usu to me, friend, watch their wadring. Mamma Esther Fre, Sanson Area Evans, and come and so afraid. Wow, would teach you of say you want to call, you can also call. But I may change, say, Obi Freno, Ma Yentie, Sabio, video way BM, and this is for Musu. Video no sino be and finance man also be and fename de bibia abana we menti video me na sesia
Timenka bibia boko baby didi
Ebi buada.
ebi ay fine ebi nso ho tiom wo tiwe wankasa wo enkoye ma wo mugabi enkoye ma so nka o we hope I see outside gentility home cry enkoye ma kano muntia tiefo ahwe masafa camera ntu mugabi so onka ongumani mu asenne si ono eba ye afa opportunity na wunya abebe twam na wuntime nya bi sa konya kesi a wuti 20 ga wuntime nya slot na wa ban aba wo betra na wudi wa ID card cheye me card ni me member me ambassador me wa na se na we ambassador
The campaign fund.
na police kwa wuni one slot fire service wuni slot no ba ku fa di not so wuntime nka o se koye say among for alpha course CV so muda boy muda no watima ye waduma na won mi wa no nka no kwente nipa wo beta ka je we wuda no mu ye bija no ne enimu wo muntenye se na wote na wo ka no kre na wotimi ka no kre che nipa mugabi mi pesi mi hu sa aja no wa nya ban wa nka ntre mo di sa na ko ya ka wo munya mamon kam ene abi kokobo die na bi edinamu sa na ko 1 year ni bibi anya kokobo die o me ka di sa fina hwehwe ama no ano mukura mu o munya na nya tuna le ba ni ka na mutie ni eto di pafo na mutie yanka ya no abi adu hwe ni pa honde na hwe na nimdie na wo de dwuma hye ne nsa na football managers kokoro die va obey okudia efa football ye momo duma no o had ye ni mo kame ko ani ye no maji enya asew ne ba mo di wi so a mo hwe so nye ye e beduru honum
asebo adisi abanyoko na jicha aseya wie me say record unprecedented say obi ya swani in as a president not just after 1 year of his administration ono ankasa ni party for asori atia no party bi da e bi sida we yase kire ne say the era of mewo honeymoon why no asa and this amanyoko no ya we say 2029 January 7th they are going to give the battle into the hands of Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawo and one no ai asemu ni akire bi abusiamfo me de ho besi ya because ko bi ema I transit almost 2 hours. I think so we have done a lot. It be the Umbesia, and Uncle Pompa or China, yet to me organize another episode. A mobile depart. nti mesro say ne na your first time I want to afa channel we so ana obaha otabaha na mpono wunya subscribe to the channel a so say fa wonsa esi subscription button no so uwia na odo nsa asi adoma no so say de be ya me ba life da bi obi nsoma ba na one me e be che djuma na die no adi me san so ewo Facebook on Ras Media GH and a TikTok Ras Media GH we mechi akwa ho na support me na adwuma no enko so ye bida mu nyina ase me di kan ya chechi obi a ai mi ya Tony Yebo a Jeneta Fram adwo ase wa ma me ya Africa Samuel Adjuma Ivan Sankama Kofi mi ya Tony Yebo a Daniel Bo Amawe so Samani Kofi Large Kofi Frank ena mi ya Maako ai me ma me Esther K Balima Sanso na Nana Akua Afro papa bi ma adwo apart me chia wo nso ye pa Moses Odro me chia wo Nana Akua Nyaakon me chia wo Kwesi Boate me chia wo Linda Amoakon me chia wo Richard me chia wo Fidi Asare me chia wo me ma me Miss B the sweetest voice ever me chia wo ye pa ena Asare Israel wonso me chia wo ye pa ichache mu nyina eda mu nyina ase ene mo bre menim se ene matumi about the right time matumi take part of my show makra mu nyina eda mu nyina ase until we meet again na say we adios makra mo